What's up? I'm here in the car. I got the trailer back there and all my gear. I'm going to get a pit bike. I'm gonna surprise the boys and see what they think. All right, guys. Nice. There it is. I gotta tell Josh. You wanna see what I got? Pit bike. Okay, I'm coming. I gotta put the trailer on. Okay, so here's my update. I got the pit bike on. Alright, it's good enough. Woo! Minty. Oh god. Yeah, I know.
That's my bag, sorry gotta kick it out, that's my bag. Tryna mess with my money, wanna try that. Pray to real, live long, fake die fast. Then I slide past, that's right. You know I be watching my step, that's right. I'm the reason why your girl left, that's right.
Well, that's a great place to do that. Alright, Josh is getting the Trail 70 out. Everyone's on pit bikes.
I was not going to go to get that thing moving, you know that? Oh.
No, she's in neutral.
In neutral, but he won't go up. Oh, there we go.
With your hand. How's full throttle?
Yeah. Okay, in the making of a shot. Yeah. He just jumped down. Yank it. You can't do it with one hand.
That's why God gave you two hands.
Yeah. Lucky to have him. Woo! Buddy. Mob with the pit bike is actually so fun. Josh is going now. The pitter is so fun. Okay, now I'm gonna get Josh on the pit bike up this hill.
Oh my god.
He's going again.
You know what I mean? Like I popped right up.
That was nice.
Want to go to another spot?
Sure. Sight for sore eyes. Whoopsie. So me and Jess are just ripping the new 70 through these woods here. Just mobbing them around. Doing what we can. Whoa! Bug spray on me like it's hair gel.
Buggy out.
There's tons of roots here and Jess doesn't know about it. He's not gonna be too happy. Oh, here he comes. Oh, Jesus. He seems a little angry at me. Okay, bye.